Now, meanwhile, lawyers in Srinagar have taken to the streets demanding a cancellation of the licenses of those lawyers who stood in support of those accused of raping and murdering the 8-year-old. Remember, just last week, a group of lawyers tried to prevent the police from filing a charge sheet against the 8 accused, thereby obstructing justice. Okay, let's go across now to my colleague Pradeep Datta, who joins us live from Kathua. In fact, now, Pradeep, we saw the accused being produced in court today. We also saw protests in Srinagar and many other parts of the country, not just today, over the last few days as well, calling, for some action against those lawyers who prevented justice from, being given to that 8-year-old victim.
Today was the first day of the hearing and all the 8 accused were produced before the court. 7 of them were produced before the session court, while the juvenile was produced before the judicial magistrate. And during that time, the defense counsel for these accused, they told judge that they had not been provided the 490-page charge sheet. They in fact questioned Mehbooba Mufti government also, that on one hand she keeps on talking about that there will be fast trial, but on the other hand they are not being provided charge sheet in such a situation. How come there will be fast track court and the speedy trial in this regard? And the second thing was, the most important part was when these accused came out, Mirana spoke to them and all of them said that they want narco tests. They said that they are being framed, they have nothing to do with this some horrific rape and murder, and they want that there should be narco tests because they said that they are innocent and they are being framed, and this, the main accused are still moving scot-free. That is what actually the family members who were camping inside the court complex also, they also said the same thing. They said there is nothing communal and political when we ask about the CBI inquiry. Why the state government and the central government is not doing that? They look towards the mirror now camera, folded hands with tears in their eyes. They demanded that there should be CBI inquiry. They said when we ask for the CBI inquiry, we are not trying to shield the culprits. You should keep all of them inside the jail till the CBI inquiry is complete. If the CBI inquiry says that they are involved, take action against them. But if they are not involved, the real culprits are somewhere out. Those culprits need to be punished, because that is the way you can get justice for that 8-year-old girl. And so far as the Bar Council of India is concerned, they are already come down very heavily on, in fact, the advocates here in Jammu region. We have seen that few days back, they tried to obstruct crime branch team from presenting an FIR charge sheet in the court of the Chief Judicial Magistrate in Kathua. And Bar Council of India 5-member team, which is led by the Chief Justice, former Chief Justice of Allahabad High Court, he will be coming over to this place.
Right.
They will be inquiring into the conduct of all those lawyers, and if they find them guilty, they are going to cancel their license. They said that the license will be cancelled either for 6 months or it can be for lifetime. So that, there's a very strong dictate coming from the Bar Council of India. But so far as the situation on the ground is concerned, still these BJP as well as the Congress continue to play politics, and the blame game is continuing. Yesterday we saw Javadekar in fact trying to train guns towards the Congress. He said that we have already initiated action against 2 of our ministers. Now the onus lies on Congress President Rahul Gandhi, whether he is going to act against the party president here in Jammu and Kashmir state, G.A. Mir, who was responsible, who had cast aspersion on the investigation being conducted by crime branch. And when we spoke to G.A. Mir said that this statement was given 2 months back. So the Congress, the BJP is deliberately trying to make an issue out of molehill. So the politics is continuing. That is very unfortunate that all these political parties, instead of looking at these humanitarian issues on humanitarian grounds, they are trying to look at it through communal and political glasses. That is really very unfortunate.
It absolutely is, and somehow they seem to forget that it's an 8-year-old child who deserves justice in this particular case, and that has not been handed out just yet. Pradeep, thanks for joining us.